never have a perfect overview or a flawless strategy. So instead, try and focus on... Hi, and welcome back to the Design Quickie, where I give you some personal insight into design for brands in a time-efficient way. Let's talk about world maps. As I'm producing and publishing this video in July 2024, over 1 billion people are using Google Maps every month. The app is available online and used for a multitude of purposes, including travel, commuting, and business location. And it might be the most popular, but it's hardly the only one. Waze, GPS Maps, Trucker Path, Road Trippers, and Gaia are some of the other most popular digital map services. But these are just the latest iteration of one of the most important tools for human civilization: maps. Starting from the Bronze Age, people have been creating maps of the world. The oldest known map was found in France, but we have records from ancient Babylonians, Greeks, Macedonians, and Romans, all the way to the Middle Ages, when Greeks, Arabs, Andalusians, French, English, Germans, Catalans, Venetians, Genovese, and Roman did their own contribution. By the way, the oldest surviving globe came from this era, and it represented most of Europe, Africa, and Asia. But it was during the great navigations of the modern age that the science of cartography boomed, by both necessity and opportunity. New lands were being discovered everywhere, and people needed to document and position them for future travels, strategic decisions, and general planning. And as the world got fully documented, we eventually reached the current world map projections. Yes, projections. Plural. There are dozens of different world maps, of which some of the most popular are Mercator, Robinson, Gall Peters, and Goods. You see, the problem with representing a globe on a plane is that you'll always get distortions, and cartographers always had to sacrifice some precision in order to provide the best possible map for different applications, whether it was landmass, distance calculation, or narrative structure. And for brand strategy, this is the most important thing we can learn from world maps. There's no such thing as a perfect overview. The whole picture will always come with biases, distortions, and missed details. But you'll still need to map the landscape of your brand in order to identify your audience, competitors, threats, and opportunities. No, you'll never have a perfect overview or a flawless strategy. So instead, try and focus on the strengths and weaknesses of your maps, course correcting when needed, so that you can navigate towards your objective. Thanks for watching.